Hi! Today we have kind of installed, or at least put in place, our new fridge. It's brand new, flown in from Singapore, which means it has the wrong plug. Yeah, but it's really big. And honestly, I'm very amazed that we have managed to put it in by ourselves. No external help. My hubby, myself, and a tenant. That's it. And I want to show you how we got it from here, from the container to the location, to this location. All right, so to get here, it has to go through this door. Notice the step. All right, the door is not high enough for the height of the fridge in the container that it came in. All right, this path. Oh, hello, Oscar. Okay, and no proper ramp. This old door was our makeshift ramp. Okay, so notice steps again. 2 in fact, over rocks. This distance. Okay, and our container is actually here. And well, the container is locked now, but yes, there's a height difference in the floor, and there was a big gap, and we used the ramp to get it down from the container again through this distance. To my Singaporean brain is just unthinkable. Let me show you the box that it came in. Yes, Oscar. And the trolley that we used. That's it. That's how, with just a trolley, a ramp, brute force of 2 men, and sometimes I help a little bit over the steps. So many steps. Well, it came in horizontally. We had to slide it down and then push it up again to go into this position.